Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firdan Al-Azami from Computer Engineering Group B. I will present about the danger of smoking for health. Chapter 1. Introduction to background. Cigarette, a cylinder of paper measuring 70 to 120 mm long, varies by country, with a diameter of about 10 mm containing couped tobacco leaves. Cigarettes are burned at one and allowed to burn so that a smoke can be exhaled through the mouth of the other end. Cigarettes are usually sold in box or paper packs that can easily fit into a bag. Since recent years, these packs have also generally been accompanied by health message warning smokers of the health hazard the smoking can cause, such as lung cancer or heart attacks. At Oak, in reality, these are only decorative items. They are really followed. Chapter 2. Discussion of the main cause of smoking. Humans in the world who smoke for the first time are Indian tribes in America for ritual purposes such as worshipping goods or spirits. In the 17th century, when the Europeans discovered the America continent, some of the European explorers also tried to smoking cigarettes and then brought tobacco to Europe. Then the smoking habit began to appear among European aristocrats, but different from the Indian who smoke for ritual purposes. In the Europe, people smoke just for fun. 17th century Spanish trends entered Turkey, and at that the habit of smoking began to enter Islamic countries. Most smokers start the smoking habit just by trial and error while hanging out with his friend. They were aware of cigarettes. They started by teaching them how to smoke themselves. Gradually, the addiction began to grow, continues to spread to the nervous to cigarette enjoyment, which beginning to be felt. Chapter 3. Discussion of impact around by cigarette. Cigarette contain experimentally element and the last of the atom declared dangerous to health. The main toxins in cigarette are the tar, toxin, and carbon monoxide. Here's the description. Tar is hydrocarbon substance that stick the lungs. Nicotine and active substance that affect nervous and blood circulation. This substance is carcinogen and capture of the cigarette deadly lung cancer. Carbon monoxide is a substance that bad to hemoglobin in the blood, making the blood unable with oxygen. These toxins affect cigarette but puts cigarette smoke is health arise 10 times surface from lung mouth and throat cancer, 4 suffering from esophageal cancer, 2 bladder cancer, 2 heart attacks. Chapter 4. Discussion. International research carried out by millions of people to give from industry, university and private research internationally show that smoking can cause one cancer, lung cancer. About people in the England die from lung cancer each year more than 8 per year. 10 cases were due to smoking or throat and nose cancer, lung cancer, experience cancer, pancreatic cancer, bladder cancer, stomach cancer, kidney cancer, leukemia. Chapter 5. Discussion. Heart and circulation disease, heart attack, and the heart disease are the biggest killer the England. About people the England the it's your heart disease. But of fast in blood vessel resulting the artery while losing elastry, which can lead to stroke, gangrene, and swelling of blood vessels, high blood pressure. 3. Respiration and other diseases. People UK in S year from lung disease more than 8 in time chest from smoking. Chapter 6. Discussion. In Indonesia, itself smoking has very important impact, especially the economic sector. Cigarette for really help the government that requires lot manpower in the cigarette factory in closet. Maybe the Indonesian people will experience serious problem. The reality at this point, based the action that tax the comes from cigarette is also the reason why cigarette are increasingly circulating in Indonesia. Chapter 7. Discussion of gut anticipation for smoking. For smoker who has the impact arising from smoking. 1. Smoker chooses to quit smoking. However, the sooner you stop, the less risk you face here are the benefits of quitting smoking. 2. Improve breathing. 3. Infection, the chills in the chest become less frequent. Chapter 8. Closing conclusion. The main cause of smoking is a sense curiously and sense of experiment than excess, which actual smoker to try, which gradually get used to it and eventually become addicted. The result of a cigarette is very dangerous for the health of your bodies. Thank you.